All right, guys, here's how I'm going to be sharing info with you. I'm going to post this document, and this will be the outline for Chapter 10, which is over volume. I'm going to have information for you shared, so if you click this, you'll be able to go watch a video talking about vocabulary. Here we have a video for volume of prisms and cylinders, and then below that you can see what the assignment is. This one's an IXL. So I have everything in one place where you can see videos and then see what the assignment is that goes along with it. And I will post assignments into PowerSchool, and the goal is to be able to make it through all of this and take the test on Thursday, April 2nd. Any time that we need to schedule a Zoom meeting to be able to go over things, work out problems together, answer questions, we can do so. Just shoot me an email with any of those questions and we can put something together. Hope all is going well, and good luck.